This is our CO2 laser cutting machines. Now let me introduce it to you. This is 1325. 1325. Here is the cabinet. Here is a cabinet, and here is a controller board. This is a controller board. Here we can open this. You can see the laser head and the mirrors, belt are all inside. The back side, this is for the laser tube. Laser tube is inside. Laser tube is inside. And here, this is the water trailer. Water trailer. When you receive the machine with the water trailer, please make sure to connect with the water trailer. Then this is used for cooling down the temperature of the laser tube. Now let me, here, we can see here. This is for the air filter. Air filter. Usually the air pressure is 0.1 MPa is okay. And here we can see there are three inputs. One is for the first one on top. This is for the internet. This one is for the U-disk. And this one to connect to the computer. Now let me teach you how to operate the machine. First, we have two ways. One is by computer. Second, we buy the panels with the machine. Now we usually use the computer. It is very convenient. Now let me teach you how to use by computer. First, when you receive the machine, open the RDWorks. Install, and you need to download the parameters first from the machine. Only the first time when you need it, read the parameter. Then the machine parameter will come to the computer. Okay. Second, we also do vendor setting. Okay. The password is RD8888. Okay, and then also read the read. Then the machine will be finished. Then save. Okay, now we can operate the machine by the computer now. For example, if we want to make the one square. Now, you can see here we have different colors. Black, green, blue, red, green, something like that. Then different color, we can use the different speed and different cutting or the hatching or scanning. Okay, laser cut. The speed. Okay, processing mode, that is very important. Usually we use the scan or cut. Scan, it means engraving. Okay, the cut means cutting. You choose one, what you want to use. This is a power, minimum power, max power, you setting. Because here we choose two, so there are two. You choose how many you want to use. Okay. Okay, this is the second part. And the same way to design it. Use scan or use cutting. Now, when we setting well, here we need to download it. And then the parameters and the designs will be set into the machine. Okay. Now, if we want to use the machine, don't use computer. Now first, we need to save the files into USB and use the USB export to the machine. Now the USB is on computer. You can see we must use this software to design it and export. For example, we have two squares. For example, these two squares we want to, okay, save. Save to file. Find the USB. Okay. USB. For example, test file, save.
可以传到那边了。
Now we use file. This time we're gonna use this, and master to rather use this and save it. Copy to the machine. Okay, now you can see the test is into the machine. Then you can use the machine to make the cutting or scanning. Press here. Then it will cutting or scanning.